Killed by a bulldozer 1 week ago.
I stand here willing to put my pain to the side to give him the voice that he deserves.
Because
Taylor. My birthday's tomorrow, and I know he would have called tomorrow. The death anniversary of our mom was yesterday. He didn't call yesterday.
Haney says the decision by
January 16th. City officials initially said he was killed by a machine during a homeless encampment clean-out. This week, Atlanta police released its incident report noting a suspected overdose. Police say that report is not the death investigation, which is ongoing. Now, the Fulton County Medical Examiner's Office says that Taylor's cause of death was blunt force injuries of the abdomen and pelvis. I asked his family how they've been feeling over the past 2 weeks with all the back and forth.
It's just re-traumatizing. I can't even say we're processing because we're so busy trying to fight for him and get him buried and go through the motions, picking out clothes that this is insane. I don't know how we're doing. This morning, this is insane. I don't know how we're doing. Go through the motions, picking out clothes that this is insane. I don't know how we're doing. This morning I was looking up a therapist because we're talking amongst each other. So we're all just we're passing trauma here, here, here. We're doing terrible. He was an awesome guy. I don't know how I'm gonna go on. I listened to his voicemails and I'm just grateful I even have that. But I don't know, he was a man of his word too.